This is what happens when beginner editors stop guessing and follow a clear structure for 30 days. Not more motivation, not more tutorials, structure. Last year, I thought I needed a better setup, better chair, better desk, or better conditions to edit videos. I genuinely believed that once my environment is perfect, I will be faster, I will be better. But then I closed my first client after 2 weeks of editing, and instead of buying better chair, I bought a one-way ticket to Thailand. Not because I made it, but because I realized that it was never about a chair. I edited on plastic chairs, on airports, on trains, in cars, in Bali Airbnbs, in Vietnam cafes, across the entire world, all the way to Costa Rica. And that's when it hit me. Speed doesn't come from comfort. Quality doesn't come from environment. It comes from a system. That's why I built one. Not a CapCut course, 30-day operating system for editors who want to become top 1%. You might think it's about effects, you might think it's about transition, and it's not. This is about building a foundation that most editors skip. There are 4 transformation checkpoints. First, how top 1% editors think, how they collect the ideas, how they never sit in front of a timeline asking, what do I add now? Because having skills without direction is useless. Then we master basics. And you might think, basics are boring. But basics are the exact reason why average editors stay average. Most editors jump straight into copying trending animations, but their foundation is weak, their timing is off, their attention to detail is completely missing, and that's reactive editor syndrome. This is how most editors proceed. They open the timeline, they edit, then they guess, and then still they look average. Top editors don't skip fundamentals, they master them. Then we move to speed. And most people think speed means working harder. It doesn't. Speed comes from removing frictions, shortcuts, templates, muscle memory, and I will show you how to build a system that allows you to deliver between 10 to 100 videos every single month without burning out. Not because you hustle more, but because you stop rebuilding everything completely from zero. Finally, we combine everything. You edit one reel using this exact system and you will see how long it actually takes. Because once system replaces guessing, speed becomes natural. And you might be asking, okay, but can I actually monetize this? Yes, but not because you use CapCut. Because once your edit increases retention, you stop becoming an editor and you become an asset. And that's exactly the difference between someone editing on a plastic chair in a Bali and someone still waiting to upgrade their setup before they start editing. This isn't for everyone. It's for editors who are willing to commit for 30 days, 1 hour per day. And if 1 hour per day can build a skill that allows you to put your laptop in a backpack, get on a plane and work from anywhere, is it really that much? This isn't about a CapCut. It's about becoming a strategic editor. Someone who can edit anywhere, work fast and get paid. So the real question isn't, does this work? The real question is, are you the type of editor who is willing to finish? If yes, the link is in the description. And if not, keep collecting tutorials. Your choice. I will see you inside.